Three things I want you to know about your HeyGen voice clone.
Wait. That's my face, but the voice? We can do better. Hey friends, welcome back to Starting with HeyGen. I'm Mary Lou. If you've already made an avatar that looks like you, but the voice isn't quite there yet, this is the video for you. This is what happens to a lot of people. You clone your voice, you generate your video, you play it back, and it's close. Maybe even pretty close. But something's just a little bit off. Maybe the pacing feels weird. The emphasis might land on the wrong words. It sounds like you, but like a version that is glitching a little bit. Like a version of you that had maybe too many cups of coffee or is reading terms and conditions. And you don't know whether you should start over, re-record, or just live with it. The answer is none of those. There's a better way, and it's built right into HeyGen. Now, I know that some of you are in the comments saying that you don't trust that my avatars are complete outputs, and honestly, my feelings are a little bit hurt, but I'm going to leave the next clip completely uncut. There's no edits, and what you're about to hear is exactly what came out of HeyGen when I ran the voice mirror tool with my actual voice.
Three things I want you to know about your HeyGen voice clone. One, your first attempt probably won't sound exactly like you, and that is completely normal. The clone is a starting point, not the finished product. Two, you do not have to start over. If the pacing feels off or the emphasis lands on the wrong words, there is a feature called Voice Mirror. You record yourself saying it the way you actually want it to sound, and HeyGen matches that delivery to your cloned voice. You get there faster by telling it exactly how you want it said. 3. Voice Mirror plus a quality clone of your voice together is the best bet for getting a clone with a voice that matches. Let's go into HeyGen and give it a try.
Unedited, that is what Voice Mirror sounds like with my actual voice driving it. And of course, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that yourself. Into HeyGen we go. Starting from the home screen. We're not starting something new today. We are going back into a video that already exists. So we head to projects. Your projects live here. Folders and individual videos. I'm going into the folder to find the video I want to work on. Here are my avatar videos, and this is the one I want to fix. When your video is open, you will see this edit panel on the right. A few options here. And I do want to point out auto clips is something I'm super excited to share with you in a future episode. But today, we want new revision in AI Studio. AI Studio opens with your existing video already loaded. You've got the script on the left and your avatar in the center. Now you see this delivery style option just below the script? This is what we're looking for. You've got three options. Direct voice. You describe the emotion, you type something like warm and conversational, and HeyGen is going to apply that. I like this for broad adjustments. Auto enhance. HeyGen automatically adds emotional tags throughout your script to control pacing and energy. This one does the thinking for you. And mirror voice, my favorite. You record yourself, HeyGen matches your delivery to your cloned voice. This is the one we want. When you choose Voice Mirror, this window pops up. Your script is right here so you can read along while you record. And here we've got two options. We can record directly using the red button, or you can upload an audio if you already have a recording. Make sure you check your microphone at the bottom first. You want it to be showing the correct input that you want to use. Now hit the red button and read your script. A few things to keep in mind while you record. Read it the way you actually want it to sound. The pacing you use here is the pacing your avatar is going to use. So if you rush, she's going to rush. If you breathe, she's going to breathe. Give it the real version of your voice. You can preview your voice and re-record if needed. And if you need to re-record, there is no shame in that. We want to give it the best chance of giving us a good result. And when you're ready, HeyGen takes that recording and maps your pacing and emphasis onto your cloned voice. We've got the same words. We've got her voice, but your delivery. While that processes, let me show you one more thing worth knowing. Click the avatar icon over here on the right. This is your voice control panel. If after generating, the delivery is still slightly off, it's too slow, it's too fast, it's slightly the wrong tone, these sliders should be your first stop before you re-record anything. We've got speed and volume right here. And if you want to switch to a completely different voice, the switch button is right here. Small adjustments here can get you a long way without having to record again. Now you can preview your new voice recording, and when everything sounds good, click generate. When it's done, your result will show up in your projects.
Three things I want you to know about your HeyGen voice clone. Three things I want you to know about your HeyGen voice clone. 1. Your first attempt probably won't sound exactly like you, and that is completely normal. 1. Your first attempt probably won't sound exactly like you, and that is completely normal.
The clone is a starting point, not the finished product.
The clone is a starting point, not the finished product.
Voice mirror plus a quality clone of your voice together is the best bet for getting a clone with a voice that matches. Let's go into HeyGen and give it a try.
Voice mirror plus a quality clone of your voice together is the best bet for getting a clone with a voice that matches. Let's go into HeyGen and give it a try.
Much better. Your pacing, your emphasis, your energy in your cloned voice. If your voice clone was almost there, but not quite, now you know what to do. For me, Voice Mirror is not part of the backup plan. This is actually part of the workflow. You do the work to get yourself a really quality voice clone. You record yourself once, you get better results faster, and you sound more like you every single time. Now, this is episode 4 of our Starting with HeyGen series. By this point, you should have an avatar that looks like you, and now you have a voice that sounds like you. This is the foundation that everything else we will work on will build on. As we keep going in this series, please make sure you let me know in the comments what you want to know more about and what else you'd like me to walk you through. I've got prompting best practices coming your way. We've got what do you do after you generate, auto clips, and more coming. And if this series has been helping you, do make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you do not miss what is next. See you in the next one.